Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok effects. TikTok allows users to apply different effects in order to help them make their videos more appealing and consequently encourage their audience to engage. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use TikTok effects. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Tap Next, one more time Next, press on the effects icon, and the menu with different effects options will appear on your screen. So decide which one you would like to add, then tap it. Adjust what portion of your video the effect will appear on by moving the ends of the red overlay on the timeline. Once you are happy with your video, hit save and post your video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok effects. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.